Hey, Rebecca Maloof here from Prime Beauty, and as a makeup artist, I have heard time and time again one of the top problems women have after they reach age 50 is the dreaded eyelid droop. So what that is just basically feeling like and seeing that this part of your eye just kind of meets your lash line. So right now I don't have any shadow on. I do have some mascara, which is a perfectly get out the door look, but it doesn't do anything to address the droop. But I'm going to show you how to do it with my eye lifting kit. So this is very specific to eye droop. We've got our shadow magnet primer. So this is just a little cream product, and I'm going to use that eyeshadow all over brush that we're going to see later. And I'm going to put the shadow primer all over. So we've got application and product. Same brush, now we're adding our shadows, and I just chose really pretty shadows that get the job done of looking pretty every day. They show up and they address the droop. I just dipped into this very pretty soft shell pink color, and that color is going to just kind of lift and highlight the eyelid area. Next, I'm going to skip my crease or the droop, and I'm going to use the same brush into the vanilla color. That goes right here. That gives us a little bit of a brightness right where we need it. And I just drag it on up across my brows. That's done. And we're switching brushes. This is your magic brush. This is your lid lifting brush. It does everything. So I've got this these colors are mostly matte. This one has just a little sheen, but this is totally matte. I've just rolled this brush in there. And what you do is you don't have to find a crease, you just find your eyeball. And you place that right there and swirl. This is the lift right here, it's happening. Just dry out that brush, kind of blend it, you can use your fingers. All right, so now I've got my lid lifted, and I've got a little bonus product for you you may not know about. This is an eye brightening pencil, and it goes right in here. Let me get this real quick for you, and then you'll see the after. All right, it goes right in here because this area tends to be dark and reddish, so it just brightens your eyes. Now I've got everything on. They should look brighter, lifted every day. That took like a minute, and that's all it should take when you've got the right colors, the right tools, and look pretty every day. Why not? You're in your prime.